Hello guys, it's me, Ashton here, and today we're supposed to have wind advisory.
Does anybody want fries?
No thanks. So I'm gonna go up front. Mom, I'm going out front to show my people the AKA wind advisory. So right now it's not much, it's just a little freaking rain. Durr, bro, durr! Here's a hot tamale. I don't know if you guys can see it. That red thing, there's the hot tamale it goes through. Let's go look at it. Oh my gosh, guys, it's raining. I'm soaked. Okay, well, it's a little stormy out here, but it's raining and windy, and someone got their door wrapped. Okay, oh my god, I'm going back inside. Anyways, that's it for you. I'm not going back out there in wind advisory.